Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be discussing about the Symbiosis personal interview. I will be telling you guys each and every detail, all the tips, tricks, hacks, important questions, all the details that you need to know about the personal interview process at Symbiosis. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. So guys, I think this is the right time for me to make this video. As you all know that Symbiosis has already announced its first cutoff and all the interview dates for the selection process for Symbiosis are already out. In case if you don't know whether you made it through the first cutoff list or not, you can go check it up by putting out your set or your slat email ID and password and you will know about it. For all those people who haven't made it to the first list of Symbiosis cutoffs, guys, don't lose hope because Symbiosis might have second, third and fourth cutoff as we have seen it in the past so many years. So just after they're done with the first round of interviews with the first set of people, they might ask other people who scored a little lesser than them in their sat or slat, and then your number might come for the interview process. So guys, the important facts about personal interview for Symbiosis, here it goes. The duration for the personal interview at Symbiosis can vary from approximately 8 minutes to about 14 to 15 minutes at the max. So in between this much time is when majority of the people's interviews happen. Now some interviews can even be for a very short time of like 4 to 5 minutes, even though that's rare, and some can even go up to 20 minutes, but that's rare too. So majority of the people will have their interviews within 8 to 14 minutes, and that's the duration of the interview. In terms of the difficulty level, I've received this from so many students asking, Bhaiya, what is the difficulty level of the Symbiosis personal interview? So guys, the interview process for Symbiosis is again easy to medium. Now I had in my previous videos about the Symbiosis entrance test, I told you guys the paper or the Symbiosis test is going to be easy, and that is what it was, and hence so many people could score really good marks. Same is the case with interview, guys. So the normal interview taking process is from easy level to medium level. What I mean by that is that they're not going to grill you, or they're not going to have any stress interviews or stress questions for you where you would be sweating or you would just go blank with not knowing what to do about, or they wouldn't put unnecessary stress on you. It's a general communication or an conversation that the interviewers are trying to have with you people to know about you and to see whether you are fit for Symbiosis for whatever particular program that you've applied. Now, even though the interview process is easy to medium, that means that the questions are easy to medium, the final result is not going to be the same, because if it is easy for you, it is easy for everybody else. That means even if it is easy or medium, you guys need to do your best to make sure that you make it through the cut, and you are the ones who are selected for the particular programs as nobody else. In terms of the selection to rejection ratio, so guys, the acceptance rate is not that bad. That means I think 1 in every 4 people or 5 people are sure to get the admission at Symbiosis for the ones who made it through for the personal interview. So this is a good news for everybody who's applying. But again, getting to 1 from 4 is also just 25%, and that's not a great number too. So that means you guys need to work hard. Talking about the number of interviewers, so basically the interview process is taken by the faculty members of Symbiosis itself. So these are the people who will be taking your interview, and the number of the interviewers depends from 2 to 4. Majorly they have about 3 or 4. Sometimes they have it 2 and sometimes they go up to 4, and not more than 4. I've never seen somebody having more than 4 faculty members taking their interview, but yes, 2 to 3 or say even 4 are pretty common. So these are the number of interviewers you would face for your particular interview process, and all of them are going to be the faculty members. In terms of the mode of interview, guys, this is going to be an online process. They would send you guys the link and you need to join on that link. That's like a Google Meet, and you can see the interviewers there. So these are the important facts about personal interview of Symbiosis. Talking about the most important part are the important questions for Symbiosis. So guys, this is the major cloud of the questions that I feel are important for the Symbiosis interview. I would urge you guys to please take a screenshot of this and start preparing for them. Even though, guys, these are not the only questions, mind you, don't think that these are going to be the only questions, but yes, a majority of Symbiosis interview is spent regarding around personal questions. So there are going to be questions like introduce yourself, or why Symbiosis, why this particular course, what are your hobbies, what are your interests, what are your future plans, what are your goals. So these and even more questions relating to your personal, like your family background, your father's business, and all those kind of questions can come to you, and this is where the majority of those 8 minutes are going to be spent. However, it's not the only thing. There are other domain related questions also that they can ask you depending on the course that you're going for. So if you're going for law, they can ask you law related questions. If you're going for BBA, they can ask you BBA related questions. If you're going for BCom or Eco or any other course, they will ask you those related questions. That can even happen. Along with that, guys, they can even ask you 11th and 12th related subject related questions. That has happened in the past and that can happen to you guys as well. They can ask you questions from maybe accounts or maybe from political science or any of the subjects that you have studied. Why they do that is to judge you on whether what you've studied, how well do you know about it. So questions relating to those can also come. Rare, but yes, they can even ask you GK questions. And the last part, which is also rare but can be asked you, are situational questions or situation based questions, where they will tell you that, okay, if you are the CEO of this company, what would you do? Or, you know, just putting you in some situation that, okay, if your employee is speaking against you, what would you do? Would you fire him or would you console with him or whatever? You know, questions like these and a lot more questions can come about. So these are the list of important questions which you guys should definitely be preparing without a doubt, along with more other questions which you feel can be asked to you guys. Talking about the preparation strategy, guys, I don't think so there's anything better than my personal mock. I will be putting down the link of them in the description below and you can go check it up and book up your personal mocks with me. The name of the product is Interview Preparation 101. This is going to be a 30-minute video live conference and I will be preparing you guys each and everything that you need to know about the personal interview. Each of the questions that I've told you guys, I will also be sharing with you the answers that you need to be giving to the interviewers, and those are going to be personal answers depending on you. So guys, so the process of booking the Interview Preparation 101 is pretty easy. Please check out the link in the description of this video. The moment you do that, you would be asked to pay 500 rupees for the 30-minute session with me, and immediately after the session you would receive an email from the team asking you guys about the personal details, about the time and the date when you want your mock session with me, and we will fix that up and I will see you for the interview preparation. Trust me guys, there is nothing better than that, and don't hesitate with this little investment of 500 rupees, because once you make the admission, this money would hardly count. And I have been taking preparation sessions for so many students in the past. I've even done it for Christ University. A lot of Symbiosis students have already approached me and they booked up their personal sessions, and all those who are watching this video, you guys should definitely do that as well. Along with that guys, you can even see my other videos that I've put up regarding interview questions, like tell me about yourself or your long-term goals and all the other questions that you can look at for your preparation. But more than that, this personal mock session is going to be really good and for each and everybody. I know a lot of people have anxiety issues. Even though they are good with preparing the answers, they're not good with speaking the answers. Sometimes they're not really sure of what answers they should use. Sometimes they've got their own story, and I think every child is unique and you need to put your uniqueness out there. And for those reasons, I feel a personal mock is really very important, where I can look at your strengths and we can highlight those strengths to the interviewers so that they like that and you make it through course that you want to go for at Symbiosis. So I'll see you soon guys. Please book up your sessions as soon as possible so that I can see you as soon as possible, and you guys have enough time after the mock session as well to prepare on your own for each and every question and be prepared in the best possible manner, be it for confidence, be it for presence of mind, be it for communication skills, everything. I would be preparing you guys for that. So I'll see you soon. So yes guys, that's about it for this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any doubts, questions or queries. Last but not the least guys, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Also guys, please share this video with anybody and everybody whom you feel is preparing for Symbiosis interview, so that this video can reach out and benefit them as well. Thanks again guys for watching this video. I'll see you soon with another video. Take care. Bye bye.